going to you with unboxing. So, I ordered from this company right here called Zoopoo. They have like a lot of different vitamins and dietary supplements and see, I'm not following my own rules. Cut away from yourself. Cut away. I don't know the name of a song. It just into my head. Let's see. What is the name of it? Get away now. Is that how it goes? I don't know. Anywho, so they have like a variety of supplements and things, but I got this particular one for gut health because y'all know I'm on a journey to fixing my leaky gut. So this is what I got. This is Zoopoo. This is the supplement I got. It's called Zoopoo for gut support. But Zoopoo, like, we all are literally full of it. We all are literally full of shit. You know? Excuse my friend, but we are. And when I read the reviews on this, it's for digestion, it's to lighten the load, and it's to cleanse you. You take 2 capsules once a day before bed. And the reviews I read, it says take 2 capsules with a full glass of water one time before bed. Okay, remember I asked you what you wanted to eat. You have to wait. You have to wait now. I mean, I asked her before we shot the video. I was like, what do you want to eat? She was like, nothing, I don't want. Okay, so I can't. Anywho, let's get back to the poop. Anyway, so when I read the reviews, I was actually watching a YouTube video when the ad for Zoopoo came up. And I used some hand sanitizer. And excuse me, the ad came up and I was like, oh my gosh. It sounded so amazing. I'm gonna let y'all know because I heard even going once a day is constipation. So we're supposed to, and that makes sense because when you have babies and little kids, you know, you see how much they go. And as you get older, you know, it's not as frequent. So I got my Zoopoo. I'm going to take it tonight. And I think 5 days is enough time for me to come and give a review. So, yeah, 5 days, I'll be back. Let me take, can you see what it is? Zoopoo. So in 5 days, I'll be back with a review on Zoopoo. Let me see how long you're supposed to take it for. It's naturally flushing your body of waste buildup to improve your overall gut health. That's what I'm on a journey to clean this gut out while getting your digestive system into optimal shape. Benefit from waste elimination, decrease bloating, reduce load at the belly, and improve digestion. 15-day supply. So is it 15 days I'm supposed to be on it? I think I'm supposed to. These supplements have not been. Why is it? So am I supposed to take the whole bottle or not? So this is a 15-day supply. So I will take 15 or yeah, I'll take it all. And so I'll be back on day 5, I'll be back on day 10, and then I'll be back on. I mean, y'all will see me in between, in the meantime, in between time. But I will review this product like every 5 days until I'm finished. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.